nope, that's it. The band's over. We're breaking up. Can I get the groupie in here? My groupie slash roadie.
Our groupie slash roadie. That's
this.
why we're
I'm
not
done.
doing this anymore.
Together 30 seconds, you've already ruined it, Elisa.
David.
Thank you. Do I look good? Still look good?
How do I look? Do I look good? Do I still look okay?
You can't pull the, they'll know it's a wig if you pull it down from the front.
Welcome to the week that my co-host has been waiting for. Just look at him.
Yeah, rock and roll week. The best band, the best music. You guys agree with me, right? Tonight I'm channeling Guns N' Roses.
Personally, I'm going for Pat Benatar. And you know, we might be dressing like those people, but it's our contestants that are about to be paid like those people. So let's meet tonight's stars.
Tonight's contestants represent towns across Ohio,
but they're all headed to one destination, the spotlight.
David, you don't have to stand like that. We got the look, but we don't have to do that.
This is how I stand now, Elisa.
Gosh, this is how you're gonna stand?
All the time.
All right, Pam, come on up to the spotlight.
Hey, Pam. How you doing?
Pam, you get to be the first person here on our old school rock and roll Cash Explosion episode. How do you feel being here with us today?
Oh, there's no words for it.
No words for that, right?
No good words or no bad words for it. I'm not sure.
No, he's familiar looking. You know,
Why is he
I remember
familiar
those
looking?
days.
Oh, you remember those days? I love it. Awesome. Well, Pam, we want to get you to the top of our leaderboard, of course, but your goal is to stay there. So let's see how you do. Pick those three numbers. 19, 2, and 5. There we go. All right, Pam, let's see how you start your game. What's behind 19? $2,100.
It's an all right start. We need more money behind the 2, though. What's there? What's behind the 2? $3,500.
All right, Pam, this is it.
Bonus,
Whatever is
bonus.
behind 5, that will be your total. What's there?
Big time.
$2,000, Pam. That's $7,600. Congratulations. You have a seat in our leader zone.
Congratulations, Pam.
Next up to win the lottery is Bo. Welcome to the spotlight.
Thank you for having me.
What do you think so far of our rock and roll look?
You guys went all out.
We went all
You guys
out.
committed. This is what I read about.
The brilliant Yvette Henry.
Yes.
Wardrobe artist to the
Beautiful
Yes.
work.
whatever we
Yes.
are.
Beautiful work.
Yeah.
Whatever we are. All right, Bo. Well, you just saw Pam get that $7,600.
Great start.
If you can get more than that, you'll be at
That's
the top
the
of our
plan.
leaderboard. Let's do it.
All right, let's do it.
3.
2,
Add to the audience. They got a
advice
lot
to the audience.
of numbers. How you can see when they're all.
He
right.
teased them.
Yeah.
He teased them. He did not take any that they suggested.
By listen.
You did listen.
And I
3,
chose.
6, and 11. What's behind 3? $3,000.
All right. That's a good start.
The audience did not suggest number 6.
They did not
Let's
suggest
find out
this.
what's behind the 6. 2001. You may want to listen to the audience.
Yeah.
Hey, that's still good money.
I'm learning. Yeah, it's still
What's
good
behind
money.
11? $3,000.
All right.
Bo, that's $8,600. Congratulations. Yeah, have a seat in our leaderboard. Is this how we're standing?
Yeah, you stand like this. And you gotta give me a yell like a yeah! We'll be back after this.
That doesn't even seem natural coming from me.
At Cash Explosion, this is how we old school. Want to get in on the fun?
Show us your old school at cashexplosionoh@gmail.com. Send some pictures or videos of you rocking it old school. Welcome back to our old school Cash Explosion. Next up to win is Peggy. Peggy! Welcome to the spotlight. Everyone who comes to the spotlight is sitting so far away from us. They're like, These people. Peggy, you are Team Murphy girl. Tell us about that.
Forever, people have called me. My maiden name is Murphy, and
Okay.
so everybody has called me Murphy Girl.
I love it. Now you've got your whole family and friends here in the audience, all rocking with Team Murphy girl, all rooting for you, ready to see you win big money. So let's do it. 5, 10, and 19. All right, Team Murphy girl, let's see how you do. What's behind 5? $2,800.
And behind the 10.
Double.
What's double? 2,400.
Maybe a double behind 19. What's there? Yes! $1, That's $10,200. Congratulations. All right, looking to see if she can beat that total is Danielle. Come on up to the spotlight, Danielle. Now, a lot of people come into the spotlight and they tell us that they've been playing for a long time, or maybe a mom played for them or a friend played for them, but how did you end up here in the spotlight?
I don't know.
She doesn't know. What do you
Listen to
mean you
this.
don't
This is
know?
crazy. Listen.
I was watching a movie and my phone blew up. Congratulations, and I thought it was a joke, and I still don't know who put my name on a ticket.
Someone put your name on a ticket, and look, and you are here.
Yeah.
That is amazing.
And it's not like they even put the wrong name. They have to put your phone number and your
address,
information.
everything, yeah.
Any guesses who you think it might have been?
No.
No
I have
idea.
No idea.
So you don't have to share it with them. You just get to enjoy all the money yourself.
I just figured that I'm gonna pay it forward.
Awesome. Great. All right, Danielle, let's see how much you win here today.
All right.
That's pretty lucky. Somebody put her name down. Love it. 13, 8, and 15. All right, Danielle, let's see how you do.
Double.
What's behind 13?
Double.
$3,300.
We need a double. We haven't seen a double or triple bonus board yet. We have to have one halfway through, right? What's behind the 8? $2,400.
You're asking for a double, a bonus. What's behind 15? Danielle, turn back here. The spotlight is all lit up for you. Touch a letter in spotlight. G. All right. G, what are we doubling behind G? It is doubled to $10,000. Danielle, look at this total here. $15,700. You don't even know who bought you the ticket. That's amazing.
Wow.
Congratulations.
That is crazy.
She's pretty lucky.
Let's talk about what just happened. Somebody put her name on a ticket. She has no idea who it was. She got called to be here, and she's sitting at the top of the leaderboard, and there's a very good chance she's going to be playing for $50,000.
We'll see. We still have
no
people
idea
left to
how.
play.
Crazy. Don't go away. We'll be right back.
You really are going to stand like that the whole time, aren't you?
Oh, yeah.
All right. Well, yes. Welcome back to Cash Explosion, our old school promotion.
More rock and roll. More
Rolls
rock and roll.
rolls on tonight.
We're not only doing this because it's awesome, but also to remind you about those limited edition player appreciation tickets. And one of them costs old school price of just $1.
Now, by now you know the perks. The $1 ticket has a 75% payout, and the $2 ticket has 3 times as many entries.
Either one can bring you here to do this, just like Dean's getting ready to do. Dean, come on up here. How you doing?
That's my family.
Right there?
Love it.
The Gallipolis.
Yes.
All right. And which one? You said one of them gets your money.
The one in the blue.
The wifey in blue. Nice. All right. And you also like to cook dinners on Sunday nights?
Yes.
Man, that sounds like a husband I need to take tips from. Giving the wife all the money.
Some.
Yeah. You'll invite me to dinner?
Invite
I'll
me.
come to dinner. Yeah. All right. So what's the secret? How long you been married?
I forgot. Well, what was it, honey?
Never mind. All that good
He
stuff I
likes
just
to
said about him,
dinner.
you just lost those
This
points.
is why he's giving her the money, because he has
50
no idea how long they've
50
been married.
years. Awesome. Well, congratulations. You ready to win some money? All right, here we go, Dean. 6, 12, and 13. If you like those, lock them in. All right, Dean, here we go. Look at the spotlight. What do you start with? What's behind the 6? $3,000. $3,100. Good start, Dean.
What's behind 12? $3,500.
And behind the 13, big money, come on. $2,600. Dean, that's $9,200. Great money, and we'll see you in the second chance.
Congratulations.
Bob, come on up here. Big Daddy. Bob, how you doing?
I'm good.
Good. You've got a special foundation your money's going to. What's the name of this foundation?
Robert Berry Foundation.
The Robert Berry. And what does the Robert Berry Foundation do?
And it helps me out because it's mine.
It's its own foundation. No.
I thought it was a real thing. I'm like, oh, that's awesome.
How awesome is that? That's fantastic. Well, we want to give to the Robert Berry Foundation.
Good.
So let's win some money.
I truly thought it was a real thing.
8, 13, and 20. And he's locked it in. All right, Robert, here we go. Or Bob, what's behind the 8? $5,000 going to the Robert Berry Foundation.
Great.
That is an incredible start. What's behind 13?
Double.
$2,000.
All right, come on. We need more than 3,200 to get to the top of the board here. What's behind the 20?
Double.
2,500. All right, it's $9,500. Just out of the top 2, but you got the second chance coming up.
Congratulations. Your hair is like all over my face. Gosh.
Crazy.
Like flying around out here.
Elaine, come on up. Hi, Elaine. How you doing? So, Elaine, you were actually playing for your dad.
Yes.
Yeah, and you told us earlier why.
Because I'm the better looking one out of the two.
I would agree. That's a good looking man, but I would agree. So who gets the money? That's the big question.
He does.
He does? He's
Aw,
gonna get the
nice.
money? You're not gonna take any of it?
Well,
Let me ask you this.
Debatable.
How much are you gonna give to the Robert Berry Foundation?
0.
Zero.
Zero.
Elaine, pick your 3 numbers. Are these his 3 numbers or yours?
There it is.
These are his, all right.
So he's the lucky one. She's just the better looking
Yep.
one.
4, 8, 19. All right. Here we go, Elaine. How'd you guys do behind the 4? $3,200.
We want to see another double, maybe a bonus. What's behind 8? $2,300.
One more shot behind the 19. We didn't need big money. What's there? $3,400, $8,900. We'll see you in the second chance. Now we gotta do this toss. Totally rock and roll the whole way.
We will be right back for our old school show after this. Did that work?
That was good. You have to hold the wig on.
Oh my gosh. We'll be right back.
That we're almost done with our rock and roll episode.
You are so sad.
We got one player left, and I'm gonna help her come to the stage or the spotlight because she deserves this walk. Pat, come on up. Actually, come right down here, Pat. Right here, and then work this jacket the whole way in. Look at this jacket. Look at this. Yeah, walk the runway, Pat. Walk the runway.
Woo!
Nice.
I love it.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
Now you made this yourself.
I did.
That's
great.
good. How long did it take?
About a week.
Really?
Nice.
Okay. And so, but you like to do crafty stuff, right?
I do, yes.
Apparently,
awesome.
you are awesome at it. That is amazing.
That's fantastic. All right, Pat, well, you're about to win a lot of money. Pick your 3 numbers. Number 9, 14, and 16. And if you like those, lock them in. All right, Pat, here we go. We're looking to get more than $10,200 to move you to the top 2 spots. What's behind the 9? Okay, 2,400. Give me a little more than that.
For a double, maybe a bonus. What's behind 14? A double!
Oh, look at Peggy. Peggy's nervous over there. Peggy's nervous.
Pat, turn here. Spotlight is glowing. Pick a letter in spotlight. P, P for Pat. What are we doubling behind P for Pat? 2,300 becomes $4,600. Wow.
All right. If you can find 3,300 or more, you will go into the top 2. It'll just be you and Danielle there. You ready for this?
I'm ready.
What is behind the 16?
Come on, bonus!
$2,300. Pat, that's $9,300. Still a great, great game. We'll see you in the second chance.
Congratulations.
The jacket is fantastic. All right. All right, we'll give Peggy a chance for that sigh of relief.
Yeah.
She made it. Both of them made it. At the end of the game, they're going to the cash challenge. First, we have work to do. Danielle, you go to $31,400. Peggy, $20,400. You'll meet defending champion Gary and one of those 6 after the second chance. Don't go away.
Congratulations. Congratulations. That's awesome.
Tonight's winning numbers and the winners of a spot on the June 15th Cash Explosion Show are coming your way live from the Ohio Lottery Studios in Cleveland. Good luck. So players, it may look like the 80s in here, the best decade ever, but there's thankfully playing today's game, and it comes with a second chance to compete in tonight's Cash Challenge. Pam, come on up. You land on the E. Oh, come on up. D. Dean. N.
Bob. O. Elaine. S. And Pat. C.
Who is going to the Cash Challenge? Elaine, your second chance is paid off. Head on over to the Cash Challenge.
Awesome. The name we see 3 times will be tonight's champion. And Gary, as defending champion, you got your horseshoes?
Yes.
You pick first.
6.
6. Who starts off in our board? Who's behind 6? Danielle. Danielle. Pick a number.
8.
8. Who is behind 8? Elaine. Peggy. 2. 2. Who's behind 2? Gary. Elaine, looking for your name again. Where is it?
I'm 1.
1. Who's behind 1? Danielle. Whoa, Gary, you know how this works.
Yes.
You find Danielle's name, the game's over.
5.
5. Who's behind 5? Peggy.
Peggy.
We got everybody on our board. Peggy's bringing the sigh of relief, but Danielle, find your name, and it's $50,000.
10.
10. Who is behind 10? Gary. Whoa, Peggy, you or Elaine will keep this game going.
4.
4. Who is behind 4?
Yes!
Gary! Gary Fessenden of Cincinnati, you are tonight's champion. You win another $50,000. And coming back next week to play for more. Congratulations. Well, that's all for tonight's episode of Cash Explosion. Now, David apparently has a gig to get to or something.
All right, rock on, Ohio. Good night. Hey, editors, drop in some rock and roll music so it looks like I know what I'm doing. Like a solo. I was playing. See you guys.
Congratulations, Danielle.
Thank you.
Congratulations.